guys? It's David with Willow Branch Farm here in West Tennessee. As you can see, we're still dealing with the aftermath of the snow we got 3 days ago. We had a little bit of maybe a little freezing rain today, but this rain is getting on top of this snow. Got my son Colby here. He's fixing to open the gate for me while I put out some hay. That little bit of rain and freezing rain on that hard packed snow has made some treacherous driving conditions. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. I know next week here in Tennessee it's going to be, I think one day it's back in the 60s and raining. So I'm going to say this snow is going to stick around for at least another couple of days, maybe till Monday or Tuesday when the rain comes and it gets on up into the 50s. So until then, we'll just deal with it. I would like to ask you real quick to take 1 second out of your time, hit that subscribe button. Should be right down there in the bottom of the screen. If you wouldn't mind, just give that a good smashing, please. Having that tarp on that hay. Those bales are nice and dry and basically look like the day I put them in there. That I found them on Facebook or something, a company called Protexia, and this is my second year using it. That thing's still holding strong, man. Like I said, I put about 50 bales under it. I go ahead and feed all the exposed bales. And then when the weather gets bad like this, these are nice and covered, and I don't know, I think it adds some value to the hay and you don't have much loss, but it's my opinion. I don't know about you, but I think that's a really pretty view down through there. This bottom being snow covered and those hills. My house is back that way, but I think it's pretty. Tell you one thing for sure, when this 7 inches of snow melts, it's gonna be muddy. Woo! So not only did we get a lot of snow this week, we also broke some records that had been in place for 40 something years. It got to -10, I guess Tuesday, and I want to say the record was like, I don't remember what it was, I think the record is -13, but on that date, it was like -3. So we beat a record that had been in place for 42 something years. And man, it was cold. Indication of how cold it's been. Looks like a glass table.
Versus the other one out from yesterday.
Yeah. Now that's the -10 ice.
Cool.
I'll be glad when the weather gets back to semi-normal here and the ponds come unfroze, because man, these 11 cows can drink this water in a hurry, and that's 150, 250, 350, 350 gallons of water. And they can make short work of it. Like, it'll last about 2 days maybe. I'm going ahead and filling it up right now, because I'll have to go pick my wife up from work tomorrow when I get off work, and I won't have time to mess with this water. So taking advantage of the daylight and the time I got now, we'll get her filled up. But yeah, good old Tennessee. You don't like the weather, just give it a minute. Next week, I want to say in the middle 60s or 64 or something next Thursday. It's supposed to rain all next week. Hey, it'll be good for duck hunting, I think. We can hunt the thaw. That rain and the warmer temperatures get things thawed out, and the ducks are here. We've been getting them, that's for sure. But there's things locked up now, so. Call me spoiled, but the heat in the Ranger feels good. Contemplated going deer hunting, because where we are, we're still in the CWD, the chronic wasting disease zone. So everywhere else is closed, but ours actually goes through the end of the month, January 31st, I think. But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna have time today. I feel like we have a lot of snow here from this last storm. My buddy in New York was saying he got like, I don't know, he cleaned his driveway off, had 12 inches. Came back out the next day, he had another 22 inches. I can't even fathom that, but I can show you real quick the conditions of our roads here still after 3 days. They've been in hibernation mode. They don't like to come and play in the snow. Y'all don't like to play in the snow? Y'all are fair weather goats. Tell you the one good thing about this snow melting, we may finally come out of our drought here in Tennessee. Surely. Got rain all next week, 7 inches of snow to melt. That's got to put a dent in the old drought numbers. Watching this fool, thinks he's gonna ride his mini bike. You gotta let the horses out. You tripping? You tripping, bud? Interested to see how much of this protein tub that they've ate. So everything I've heard is they won't eat it if they don't need it. So let's see if they need it. Appears they've eaten about half of it, and we put it out last weekend, so about a week. So they seem pretty content with their roll of hay I put out. 2 of those over there are steers that I'm gonna be putting up pretty soon. Start feeding out, get ready for the freezer. Kind of be a little sad because old number 3 there, he's been like a puppy dog. He's been a good one. He's out of a registered bull that actually come from here where I live. I got him up at around Paris from a girl up there, the mama cow, and he's been a good one. He's grown out, looks good. I think he'll feed out well. My goodness, this is nasty. Me and Ellie are just checking out the snow from the warmth of the house. We're about to go sit by the fireplace and chill. Just want to say thank you for watching. Hopefully next time I shoot this video, you probably won't see this snow. You'll just see a lot of mud. But hey, I want y'all to be safe out there. We got some really cold wind chills coming tomorrow, and I'm sure it's cold in the rest of the country for the most part. So y'all stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.